Forms define what information will be contained in a message, how it'll look and interact with external systems, and what response options are available to users. Forms can be for anything from simple FYI notifications to complex content-rich alerts to handle pretty much any situation. In this video, let's create a form for an IT outage and add it to our dashboard for easy access. First, let's take a look at the forms already in our sample IT communications plan and see what they do. Here, we can see a form to send a weather warning, send a targeted IT alert, initiate a new conference bridge, poll users for their opinions, and inform users about alerts. Let's create a new form using the Create Form button at the top. Give the form an easy-to-identify name and description, and click Create. Forms start as not deployed, which means they won't be available for use. So let's click the drop-down and select where we'd like our form to be enabled. We can enable this form for use in the web UI, the mobile app, and for web services, which allows you to trigger this form from external tools through integrations. Sender permissions allows us to specify which users have access to this form and who can manage its scenarios. Search for a user or role and add them to this list to allow them to use this form. To add content to our form, go to the Edit drop-down. Layout allows you to customize the content in the message. Messages is how the notification will look to the recipient. And Responses is used to customize the response options available to the recipient. You can pre-populate message content using scenarios. This saves time if you're using similar message content frequently, like in the case of customer support requests. Activity updates are used to create a list of recipients to notify when this form is initiated, or when it's concluded. If you add a user to activity updates, you can specify when they'll be notified and, optionally, specify which devices to notify them on. Forms and scenarios can also be added to the dashboard. If we jump over to the dashboard, we can see that there's dashboard widgets for both the Send Alert and Conference Bridge forms in our IT communications workflow. If we click Add Widgets, Send Message, and drag this onto our dashboard, we can now add a shortcut to the Send Alert scenario for easy access. Use the Export option to create a backup or to use this workflow in another xMatters instance. Everything in the workflow, including its forms, will be exported, with the exception of the subscription forms. To try xMatters messaging yourself, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.